Ladies and gentlemen, we're living historic moments. Still can't believe it. We are getting some rain. This is not from Matthew, of course, but I wanted to take some video of the streets. I already went around went around the streets, the neighborhood a little bit with my dad. Was driving, and I had Gina outside. I was holding her very carefully and gently and lovingly, because I wanted to take a video of the streets and the trees still intact. We don't know if this is all gonna look very different. We don't know if it's gonna be like that. We don't know if we're gonna have down trees. We just don't know what's gonna happen. So I wanted to record beforehand. There is no wind, as you can tell. You can see the trees are not moving. There is no wind right now, none at all. There's just rain, and there's gonna be a lot heavier rain as the hurricane approaches. This is not the hurricane right now. This is just rain, probably caused by the same thing, but it's not the hurricane. So I'm not putting my life in danger. Don't even accuse me of putting my life in danger now. I don't want to hear no comments. Anyway, we are living historic moments. I do have to record and document. We noticed that most of the people did not have storm shutters. They didn't have any boards on the windows or anything. I don't know. They just they're gonna ride it out, or maybe they left. I don't know. But anyway, I'm not gonna worry about that because there's nothing I can do. So anyway, our neighborhood is pretty nice. As you can see, it's a very quiet neighborhood. We've been here over 30 years, and it looks very nice. We have very, very old trees, which makes it look even nicer. I hope that Matthew doesn't take them from us. All right, this is based on true events. This is based on facts. A very serious matter. El asunto es bien serio. I'll keep you informed as these historic moments transcend. I just wanted to mention that we put the cars like sideways like that. I really don't know why. We're copycatting our neighbors, and there's some people in the area that did the same thing. You see this guy over here, not the white pickup truck, but the white car over there, and then Marsha and her family over here with the gray minivan and the burgundy car and the brown car or gray car. They did the same thing. I don't know if that makes a difference. Giovanni across the street, you see his gray Nissan. I don't know if that's gonna make a difference and what exactly it's supposed to help with or avoid. If a branch is gonna be falling and flying, it's gonna be hitting anything and everything. So anyway, I don't know. So we we followed everyone else, and we put our cars sideways like that. Don't know why, but anyway, I just wanted to point that out. All right, we'll keep you informed. Right now it's about 2 in the afternoon, I think. 2 something, yeah, in the afternoon, and the hurricane's supposed to get here at 6. So we'll see what happens. We'll keep you informed as these historic moments transcend.